CASAFARI Connect allows you to share business with more ease and transparency. You can check partners' sharing conditions and negotiate new terms without leaving CASAFARI. Place sharing requests as a buyer agent by pressing the Connect icon, which can be found in 3 ways. In the property search, next to each property. In the property page, at the top of the page or in the sources table. In favorites, next to each property. When you make a sharing request, you will see which agencies are interested in sharing that property and what their commission rules are. You will know, beforehand, if an agency's rules match yours. To send your request for sharing, you must select the agency you wish to do business with. If, initially, the commission rules do not match yours, you can negotiate through the platform or accept those of another agency. By accessing Connect, in the menu, you have access to a panel where you can see all the share requests sent, received, accepted and rejected, as well as all the associated details. This historical log will always be available for viewing. To see the proposals from buying agents for your properties, you must go to the Received folder and there examine each one. Analyze the conditions proposed by the other party and reject, accept or negotiate new rules. Within each request, you will always see its status and date. You can also access the property directly through the request or generate a quick link with all the details of the proposal. You can continue all open negotiations in this section and propose new conditions, accept or reject current proposals. For more information, contact us through our chat or email us at support@casafari.com.